So I am here with another video, of course. This video today is showing how I got the simple, easy highlights, and also me installing my wig, of course, because I do see that you all like install videos. But yeah, the hair that I am using in this video today was sent to me from West Kiss Hair. This is their Brazilian loose deep wave, and I have 3 bundles of 18 and an 18-inch frontal. So it is nice and full for 3 bundles. Of course, it is 18 inches, so the bundles were nice and full. The hair did take to the bleach and everything very well. It did not cause any of the pattern that was in the hair to disappear, so that was really good. This is really pretty. It brings like a lot of colors to my face. I went ham and plucked the mess out of my frontal, y'all. Like I wanted it to look really natural, like super flat, almost like you had a perm type look, so, or relaxer type look. So the frontal was very easy to plug. It didn't take me that long at all to get it to this state, which was good. Yeah, this is perfect for the summertime. This is so cute. I am getting ready to let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy the video, but of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, of course, leave them on down below. If you are not a subscriber, I wish you would consider joining the family on today. I know you would not regret it. Of course, if y'all do like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, so I know it helps me out a lot to know what you guys like and don't like. So yeah, please hit the thumbs up button if you do like this video. And also, if you are subscribed and you want to stay notified of when I upload, be sure to hit the bell so that you can stay notified of when I do upload. Okay, y'all, I'm gone. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to let you guys know about this cap, just in case some of you all were not aware or have not seen this cap before. But this is a highlighting frosting cap. They use it a lot in the salons to get an easy highlighting or frosting type look. So I picked that up from my local beauty supply store. I had to snip the back of it to get it to fit onto my canvas head. But yeah, I'm just simply putting a plastic bag over, or a plastic cap over the remaining hair so no bleach will get on it. And I'm using the Collada Colors bleach as well as a 30 volume developer to bleach my hair. So yeah, that tool that I'm using, it did come in the packaging. Everything that you need to use came in the packaging, and you just simply use the tool and go into the holes that are marked and pull out as much hair as you would like. You do want to be careful putting that utensil in. You know, just make sure you don't poke your frontal. The tool is plastic, so I didn't have any issues, but you still want to be careful just in case. But yeah, with this frosting cap or this highlighting cap, you don't have to pull out as much hair as I did. If you don't want, you can have fun with it. It's something that it just gives you an idea of where to pull out. Yeah, it's a very easy process, I promise you that. All I did was I pulled out the desired hair that I wanted. Again, you don't have to pull out as much as me, or you can pull out more if you would like. You can skip, you know, you can just have fun with it. You can skip holes, you can do one, you know, however you want to do it. Have fun with it. Alright y'all, so I am slapping the bleach all over it. I'm just working as fast as I can so I can try to get it all to process at the same time as even as possible. But yeah, I just slap the bleach on. No type of technique, of course. Y'all know I'm not a professional, honey. I just wanted to get it up there. And I let it process for about 40 minutes. Okay y'all, so yeah, I did wash out the bleach. I used that orange shampoo. I forgot the name of it. I am so sorry y'all, but I'm gonna leave the name of it down below just in case you all don't know what I'm talking about. But I used that, and then of course I used the Shimmer Light shampoo to tone out the brassiness that was in the hair after the bleaching process. And then I let the hair air dry a little bit before I used this this box dye that I have. I think it was number 95 if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry, but yeah, I just used that box dye all over to just brighten it up a little bit more and give me a little more of a golden type of look. And yeah, of course no special process, y'all. Just slap that color on up there, honey. Get it up there as even as you can and you'll be good to go. I did let the color sit on the hair for about an hour because I wanted to get it as light as I could, or let it do what it could for that time frame. And I did wash out the color with my Shimmer Light shampoo to help it tone a little bit more. I'm not sure if it helped, but I did it anyway. And then I used my Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner to condition my hair, and then I just let it air dry after that. So that was it, y'all. That was the process to how I got this color. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the install portion of the video.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
can you